Food safety crises occurred one after another. Now food safety has become the primary concern for all consumers. A biotechnology company in Kaohsiung has successfully achieved the goals of safety, value, and eco-friendliness using the latest water resource technique for livestock and aquaculture products. Today, let us take a look at this revolutionary innovation. When you walk in hospitals, laboratories, or schools, you can smell pungent odor from the bleacher dissemination in the air. This smell is harmful to our health. Many antibacterial substances that were toxic were reported and disclosed by many researchers and papers. In the past, no one could find any better antibacterial technique and safety sterilization. Now, a new biotechnology company is born to prove values and social responsibility by their new sterilized technique. Farmers sterilize crops with pesticides to keep the crops perfect, but the pesticide residue is a big problem for the crops. Our technique, UC1 gaseous chlorine dioxide, is a non-toxic solution to improve the economic value of crops and at the same time ensures the safety and quality of crops. We produce chlorine dioxide by electrolyzed method. Chlorine dioxide was purified and the highly concentrated chlorine dioxide was dissolved in RO water. That's how the highly purified chlorine dioxide solution was produced. Actually, the gaseous chlorine dioxide can evaporate in the environment on its own. We have developed a preservation method to help the gaseous chlorine dioxide dissolve in aqueous solution. This is how we store chlorine dioxide. We have developed the best techniques to improve efficiency and at the same time to ensure safety for consumers.
The benefits are vast. So first, they use sodium chloride and water, which are both environmentally benign. So the chlorine dioxide produced in the United States has more propensity to produce toxic byproducts such as chlorine dioxide, or chlorine high oxidation state chlorine oxides. So basically the UC1 has many benefits. It's easier to make, it's cheaper to make, it's cleaner to make, and the product is more stable.
Unique Biotechnology has completed a number of enterprise industry cooperation projects with our laboratory. Chlorine dioxide can dissolve in the water mixed with colloid gelatinous matter. Once chlorine dioxide dissolves in the water, it is unlikely to produce hypochlorous acid to harm human bodies. This unique technique has been applied to livestock and aquaculture products, in addition to crops, with remarkable achievements.
It also has other minor uses, but used mainly for the purification of water or the sterilization of different food products, such as poultry and meat, and dipping or sprays, things of that nature.
In the beginning, he worked with National Kaohsiung University of Science and Technology on fish and shrimp sterilization, in particular, disease prevention and fresh keeping method. I am sure his methods will be useful for aquaculture. To make best use of this valuable technique, we've established a high-end factory in Pingdong Agricultural Biotechnology Park and organized a team with multiple specialties using the latest instruments to make best use of UC1 chlorine dioxide technique. Unique Biotechnology has installed an automatic current titration instrument to test the detailed items and adjust the process accordingly. You can also monitor the product content, such as the highly concentrated chlorine dioxide and impurities, using this instrument. If a product contains highly purified chlorine dioxide and fewer impurities, it is a high-quality product. More than 88% of our employees have either master degrees or doctorate degrees with a variety of specialties, such as medical science, biochemistry, chemistry, and microbiology. We believe quality is the most important part of products. All our derivative products comply with the Environment Protection Guidelines specified by the European Union. In consideration of ecological balance and sustainable development, we make best use of UC1 chlorine dioxide aqueous solution in order to find the balance between ecology and industrial development. Actually, we are doing everything possible in many areas, not just developing the derivative products for people's daily use. We spare no effort to improve public health and food safety, and will continue to do our best for the well-being of our society. In the future, we will create a healthy and safe environment with no harmful substance at all. Is technological development good or bad? It's just a flash of thought. We have set the most valuable benchmark and are ready to create a brand new milestone for biotechnology industry.